Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Maths. I am going to explain question number 1, Roman 2. That has been taken from exercise 6.4, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, using differentials, find the approximate value of under root 49.5 up to 3 places of decimal. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that here I shall write the given number, given value ब्रैकेट में अंडर रूट 49.5 कैन बी written as (49.5) whole raised to the power 1/2. 49 under root 49.5 can be written as 49.5 whole raised to the power 1/2. This thing can be written. What will do next? Next, I shall write let f of x equal to x. Here f of x is fixed in all cases of solutions of this type of question, and also x is fixed in all cases of solution of this type of question. X raised to the power I shall take from this place 1/2. Here 1/2 is there, here also 1/2 I shall write. You can see here 1/2. Here 1/2 is the index. Here 1/2 will be the index. Here 1/2, here 1/2. Both will be equal. Here x is fixed in all cases of solution of this type of question. Here f of x is also fixed in all cases of solution of this type of question. Now again I shall write differentiating f of x with respect to x. So we shall get here implied that d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 1/2 implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 1/2 comes out to be 1/2 x raised to the power 1/2 minus 1. So here we will get f dash of x equal to 1/2. In center I shall write x raised to the power minus 1/2. Here we shall get again implied that f dash of x equal to 1/2. Here I shall write x raised to the power 1/2. This thing we have got. It is okay. Now next step I am going to take here the given number, the given value, here I shall write the given value 49.5 will be splitted into two parts. First part plus second part. Now I shall discuss about first part. The value of first part I shall discuss about. So here I shall write the value of first part equal to, focus only here the value of first part. So here open here curly bracket, here open circle bracket, here also circle bracket. So here something you have to fill, that will be decided later on. And here I shall write, here you can see, here f of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2. So this value 1 over 2, here 1 over 2 is a fraction. From this fraction I shall take only the denominator 2. So here I 2. This 2, 1 over 2 is a fraction. From the fraction I shall take only the denominator 2. So here I shall write 2. That is 6. Close here curly bracket. Close here curly bracket. Here 2 is fixed. Here 2 is fixed. 2, this 2 has been taken from this place. Same. This 2, 1 over 2 is a fraction. From the fraction 1 over 2, I shall take only the denominator 2. So this 2 will be the same as here 2. And power I shall write here 1 over 2. 1 over 2, that I shall write. That is fixed. 1 over 2. First part I am going to discuss here. 1 over 2 I have taken from this place also. 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2 will remain the same. And here from this fraction I have taken the denominator 2. So this 2 will be the same. Here 2 I shall write. Now think over the given value. The given value you have got here 49.5. To do the rough work here, the given value I have taken here, rough work, this is the rough work, 49.5. This is the given value. From the 49.5, this value 49.5, this is the given value, will be split into two parts. First part I shall take the natural number part. First part will be the natural number part and second part will be the fractional part. Generally, the first part will be the natural number part. So here, if I take here 49, .5 can be written as 49 plus 0.5. When 49 plus 0.5 will be operated, you will get this one. So you know that 49 is of 7 का square distinct. 7 का whole square will be 49. Here I shall write 0.5. Now it has come to be true that 7 का whole square, so here whole square is there. Here whole square is there. This is the first part, this is the second part. So if I write here 7, if I write here 7, the 7 का whole square, So this thing we have got. The first part I have taken like this. So that here these two will be cancelled out. The first part in the sense we shall decide like this. For time being, for understanding purpose, I have represented this one. Now I am going to erase this one, and the first part will only be 7 का whole square. We will get here 49. The first part will be the 49. 7 का whole square 49 we have got. And second part, the value of second part equal to 0.5. The value of second part will be 0.5, so that (49.5) that is the given number equal to 49 plus 0.5 we shall get. So this is the rough work. I am going to erase this one. This thing we have got. The value of first part 7 का whole square equal to 49, and the value of second part will be 0.5, so that 49.5, the given value 49.5 equal to 49.5 equal to 49 plus 0.5 will be the same. In this way it will be represented. Now what will do next? Next I shall write the formula. Formula implies that this is the formula you must remember. F of, before proceeding towards formula, one thing I shall let x equal to 49, this value first part, 7 का whole square comes out to be 49 first part, and delta x will be the error in the x. Delta x equal to 0.5. Let x equal to 49 and delta x equal to 0.5. This thing we have got. Now use formula here by using the formula implies that f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. Using the formula implies that f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash x. This is the formula you must know. So what to do here? Here I shall write here imply that f of x plus delta x equal to, here f of x I shall take from this place x raised to the power 1 over 2. So here I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 2 plus, in place of delta x I shall write here 0.5. So here write 0.5. Now f dash of x I shall write here 1 over 2, this value f dash of x equal to 1 over 2 dot x raised to power 1 over 2. So here I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing I have got. Now again I shall write here f of x plus delta x equal to, put the value of x equal to 49. So here I shall write 49 raised to the power 1 over 2 plus in bracket 0.5 dot 1 over 2. In place of x I shall write here 49. 49 raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing I have got. So again I shall write here imply that f of x plus delta x equal to, here you can see 49 can be written as 7 का whole square. So here I say open here curly bracket, 7 का whole square raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 0.5 dot 1 over, in bracket right side write 2 in place of 49 I shall open here curly bracket, 7 का whole square raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing we have got. So what to do here? This two will be cancelled out, and also this two will be cancelled out. So here we shall get implied that f of x plus delta x equal to 7, I shall write here 7 plus, here write 0.5 dot 1 over, here 2 this two has been cancelled out. Here you get 7 to the 14. So here out 14. 1 4. This thing I have got. Now what we'll do next? Next I shall write here, just I shall take for 1 minute the value thereof. So here I can write very well implied that x plus delta x equal to 7, right here 7 plus here 0.5 over 14. So I can write here 5 over 140 can be written, because multiply denominator 14 by 10 will get here 140, and here also multiply the numerator 0.5 by 10 comes out to be 5. So this thing we have got. Now do the operation value. So what will do? 5 will be divided by 140. So let us see the what result comes out to be. 5 will be divided by 140. So 5 will be divided by 140. Here 5 is there. 5 is divided by 140. Single digit, here 3 digit is there. First of all, if you put here 0, the here I shall write point, before point write here 0 automatically. The 0 point I have written. Again here you have got 50, the 50 will be divided by 140, can't be. Again I shall write here 0, so here I shall write 0. Now you have got here 500. 500 will be divided by 140. How many times it will go? 14 3 ja 420. So here I shall write 3. Or here 3 will multiply to 0, comes out to be 0. 4 3 ja 12, I shall get here 2. And 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 1 will get here 4. Whole over I shall write here 0. Take 1 from 5 will get here 10. 10 minus 2 comes out to be 8. Here you will got this one. Now what will do next? Here it says up to 3 places of decimal. Here you got after decimal you have got only 2 digits. So 3 digits you have to get. Here 3 places are written. So what will do here? 80. So here 80. And now 800 you have got. What will do here? 7. 140 multiply to 7. Try this one. 0. 7 4 ja 28. Will get here to 9. 980 you have got. This is not correct. What will do here? 6. 6 times it will go. So here write 6. And here you will get here 0. And 6 4 ja 24. Remainder will be 2. Remainder will be 2. Or 6 plus 2, 8 we have got. This will be the approx value. You have got 0.36 will be the approx value. So what will do here? Here, these all things are the approx value from this place. Approx value, approx value, approx value, approx value, approx value. So here I shall write implied that f of x plus delta x equal to not equal to approx 7 plus 5 over 140 comes out to be 0.036 you have got. And now what will do next? Next I shall write here imply that f of x plus delta x approx 7.036. Just I shall check the answer whether it is correct or not. So here I think 7.036 correct answer 7.036. The answer you have got, correct answer you have got. The answer will be answer equal to 7.036 approx. This is approximate value, approx. This thing you have got. In this way, this question has been solved. Correct answer you have got 7.036, 7.036 approx. In this way this question is solved. Practice, lot of practice are required. This is the rough work I am going to erase from the whiteboard. This is the complete solution and explanation of question number 1, Roman 2, that has been taken from exercise 6.4, approximation, main part, application of derivative of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.